In this lesson, let's declare a constructor and event without implementing them yet. So let's create new project, console app, next, and give it a name, partial constructor and event, and next, and .NET 10 for sure, and create. And let's create new partial class, and we can give it a name, uh, audit service dot part one dot cs. And in this class, we're gonna define that as a partial class. And here we are going to write partial constructor and partial event. So here public partial and audit service, and we can give it a parameter string app name. Here we defined the partial constructor. We're gonna define partial event actually. So partial event, and here action of let's say string, and here we give it name audit, and we have another private property in this class, private action of string, and here we can say underscore audit, and we can have another method public void log, which takes the string and invoke the audit dot invoke the message. So we have partial constructor, partial event, private member, and method called log, which takes message and invokes the message. So I'm gonna create the second file of the partial class, the same class. And this could be generated code or a separate module. So let's create the new file, add class, the same name audit service dot part 2.cs, and the same thing should be partial class, and here we're gonna we're gonna implement the partial constructor dot service, which takes string app name, and we will implement the second partial event. So here partial event action of string audit, and let's add. So here add will register the audit, sorry, and the second one remove will unsubscribe from audit. So we have two implementation, one for the constructor, partial constructor, and one for partial event. And inside the constructor, let's fire the event with plus equal, and here we'll take a message, and we can type console dot write line, and can say the app name, and here's a message. And in program.cs, let's use or create an object of that class var audit equal new audit service, sorry, service, and which take a parameter. We can say my app, and let's call audit dot log the method which take another string. We can say my app is started, and my app ended, and let's run the project. So here we'll print my app started, my app ended. So the declaration here and implementation here are cleanly separated. And that's perfect for source generators and large systems. So see you in the next lesson.